Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to review about the Dell Tower Desktop Computer. Before we start, make sure to click the link in description below to get this desktop computer at the best price. If you're looking for a powerful and reliable desktop that can handle both home and office work effortlessly, the Dell Tower Desktop is definitely worth considering. Designed with modern users in mind, this system brings a perfect balance of speed, performance, and usability. Whether you're managing spreadsheets, running business software, editing documents, or even handling creative tasks, this desktop delivers a smooth and lag-free experience. One of the standout advantages of this machine is its ability to handle heavy multitasking without slowing down, making it ideal for professionals, students, and even small business owners. You can easily switch between multiple applications, browse with dozens of tabs open, and still enjoy seamless performance. The large memory capacity ensures that your workflow remains uninterrupted, while the fast storage significantly reduces loading times, helping you stay productive throughout the day. Another major benefit is the dual 4K monitor support, which is perfect for those who need extra screen space. This feature enhances productivity by allowing you to work on multiple tasks simultaneously without constantly switching windows. The connectivity options are also impressive, providing modern wireless performance and multiple ports for all your devices. On the design side, Dell keeps things clean and professional, making it a great addition to any workspace. Now, no product is perfect, and there are a couple of small considerations. This desktop is not primarily built for high-end gaming, and since it uses integrated graphics, it may not be suitable for graphics-intensive tasks like advanced 3D rendering. However, for everyday computing, office work, and productivity tasks, it performs exceptionally well. Overall, the Dell Tower Desktop stands out as a dependable and efficient machine that helps you get more done in less time. If you're someone who values performance, reliability, and smooth multitasking, this could be the perfect choice for you. Don't forget to check the link in the description below to grab this desktop computer at the best price.